November 16th, Peer Pressure. The Bible reading is from Nehemiah chapter 6, verses 1 to 16. Verse for today. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. Nehemiah had a big job to do as he supervised the rebuilding of the wall around Jerusalem. While many people helped Nehemiah, several enemies tried to stop the work and to harm him. But God gave Nehemiah the wisdom to recognize plots to destroy his work and witness. He didn't give in to their pressure but remained calm and collected. The wall was finished, and enemies and neighbors alike had to admit that God had been at work. You may, like Nehemiah, have some people around you who would like to destroy your witness and keep you from doing God's will. Peer pressure is not new. Why not ask God to strengthen your hands? See Nehemiah chapter 6 verse 9. And give you his perfect peace to face the Tobiahs and Sanballats around you. Amen.